In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code with GitLab. By following these instructions, you will be able to clone your GitLab repository, set your Claude API key, and run Claude Code to interact with your project files effectively. Begin by opening PowerShell on your computer. Once the window loads, you will enter a command to clone your GitLab repository. Type the command git clone https://gitlab.com/your-username/your-repo.get and press the enter key. Ensure you replace your username and your repo with your actual GitLab username and repository name. This action will initiate the cloning process, and you will see progress messages indicating that files are being downloaded. After the repository is cloned, you need to navigate to the newly created directory, type cd your repo and press enter. This command will change your current directory to the repository folder you just cloned. You should see the command prompt change to reflect your current location within the repository. If prompted for login credentials, enter your GitLab username when asked. Instead of your password, you will need to use a personal access token. This token is a secure way to authenticate and can be generated in your GitLab account settings. Once you input your credentials, the cloning process will continue until complete. Next, you need to set your Claude API key. In the same PowerShell window, type setx_API_key, your_API_key here with your actual API key. Press enter to execute the command. This step is essential as it allows Claude to access the necessary resources for your project. After entering the command, you will not see any confirmation message, but the key will be set in your environment variables. To ensure that the changes take effect, close the PowerShell window and then reopen it. This action refreshes the environment variables. Now navigate back to your project directory by typing nade your repo again. Once you are inside the repository, you can execute Claude Code and pressing enter. This will initiate the Claude Code interface within your project. Now that you have Claude running, you can issue commands such as explain this project, refactor this file, fix bugs in the login function, or add tests. Claude will analyze your local project files and provide responses based on your requests, allowing for efficient project management and code maintenance.